How to solve the faulty flame. First, please remove these screws to detach the top cover and back board. After that, please disconnect the electrical connector from the light board, and then remove the beam as the light bar is installed on it. Remove the light board by unscrewing the two screws, discard the faulty light board, and get a new light board to replace it. Connect the wire plug to the new light board. Install the beam back. Reinstall the backboard and the top cover. If the fireplace cannot work properly, you can check the motherboard first to do the basic troubleshooting. This port is for fan motors. This one is for temperature sensors. The big one is for remote and digital displays. This one is for the control panel. This one is for flame lighting. And the black one is for flaming bed lights. First, remove the screws on the bottom of the machine. The flaming bed light board is hidden in the back of the machine. You need to reach it by reaching your hand in. Then disconnect the faulty light board and replace a new one. Connect the wire plug and hide it back.